So hello students, welcome once again. So that's the next question of your series chapter. So see again, you will definitely find this to be a very good question. आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा होगा ये question देख के और I will say that those students who could finish this question and get the answer is really appreciable and remarkable. Okay, so चलिए let's start. So how to do it? See, whenever I have to solve a question, if I can't apply any direct result or any formula or any method, the one thing I try is to open the summation. So why am I saying that? Because of this thing in the numerator. So looking at the numerator, I will say, okay, let us say f of nb. So for numerator, it's simply like start with r is equal to 1, go till n. So it will be 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 until it is 1 by n here. Okay, acha, one more thing, since we need f of 100, so why to talk in terms of n, why not to directly do it for 100? Okay, so I will take it to 100 instead of n. I will write, okay, let's go till 100 and let's go till 100. So here also I will take it to 100. Fine enough, isn't that? ये हो गया आपका न्यूमरेटर. अच्छा, फॉर डिनोमिनेटर at least we can see and we have a method which says that if we can rewrite the general term of a series as the difference of two consecutive terms, then it makes the thing simplest and in the easiest form. Okay, so that's what we can see here, because see, these are two consecutive terms in terms of k, for k at least minus 2k, and this is minus k. Okay, and k is the variable here, so we can say that they are two consecutive terms in terms of k. So now for the denominator I will write it as summation of, okay, now let us write as this in the numerator the difference of these two factors. Of course this one is larger than this one, so I will write it as 2n minus k plus 1 minus 2n minus 2k plus 1. Okay, and then of course we have two factors in the denominator and we will retain both the factors there. Of course we can't do anything about it, where k goes from 1 to 100. Okay, so now what? So I will take it to 100, f of 100. Now I can't do anything related to numerator, I am leaving it as it is right now. But for denominator, of course I will break it into two. So this term, first term upon denominator, these two factors will get cancelled and we will get it as 2n minus 2k plus 1 minus second term upon denominator. So again it will be 1 upon 2n minus k plus 1 here. Okay, now as k goes from 1 to 100, now let us deal it separately. एक बार इसको जरा अलग से करके देखते हैं. अच्छा, one more thing, 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 and so on till 1 by 100. Can I assume it to be some number p? So okay, so I am calling that this series in the numerator has the value p. Okay, so let's deal it in terms of p only. So now let's open the denominator. तो यदि हम denominator पे सिर्फ अभी केंद्रित करें अपना सारा concentration, तो what we will get? Open the values of here again. Let's just a minute. So n को क्यों ना हटा के हम लोग 200 लिख लेते हैं, because n is 100 here, so it is 200 and it is 200. Okay, that will give us a better idea to compare it with the numerator term. Okay, so now let's start. So k is 1, so first one is 200, so 1 upon, what is it, 199 if I am not wrong, we will check it. So 200 minus 2, 198, right, and this is nothing but 1 by 200. Okay, minus 1 by 200. Similarly, the next one will be 1 by, when we'll put k as 2 here, so it will be 200 minus 4, so it will be 197, and this will be in that case 199. So 1 by 197 minus 1 by 199 plus again one more k as 3, so it will be 195 and it will be then 198. So 1 upon 195 minus 1 upon 198 okay, plus dot dot dot, let's last two values, let's say for k as 99 it will be 1 by 3, and then for k as 99 it will be how much bacho? It will be 200 minus 102. Okay, so this will be 1 by 3 minus 1 by 100, and so again 99, so it will be 102 there. Okay, so it will be 102, and for k as 100 it will be 1 minus it will be 101. Now what can we say about it? So see, let's collect the first all positive terms. So now I will be writing it in the form of sequence 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5, these terms bachon. So what I am doing, I am collecting these with positive sign. Okay, so they are all negative, so 1 upon 197 plus 1 upon 199, okay, minus rest of the terms which start with 101, so 101 plus 1 upon 102 and till it is 1 upon 200. Okay, now see, what will I prefer to do here is, why not to add and subtract the terms which we are missing here. So if I add 1 plus half plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 and till 1 by 200. So which terms did I add? I added those terms which are half, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, all with even numbers in the denominator. Mark it. Okay, so I will be subtracting them also. So when I subtract, I will take half common. So it will be 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 and till it is 1 by 100. Okay, and we have one more term here, and which is this one. So minus it is 1 by 101, 1 by 102, 1 by 103, 1 by 200 bachon. Okay, now from here till here, see all the terms till from 1 by 101 plus dot 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 100 200, they will get cancelled. Why? Because now it has, in this series, in the first bracket you have all the numbers starting from 1 till 1 by 200, and here you have all the numbers starting from 1 by 101 till 1 by 200. So those numbers will get cancelled. So what does that mean? That simply mean what we have in the first term left is 1 plus half plus 1 by 3 and till 1 by 100. I think all of you will agree. Okay, so this is, and remaining one is this. So minus half times 1 plus half 1 by 3 and this is 1 by 100. Okay, now what? Now I have already assumed this to be equal to how much? This is P. So now let's put the value. So therefore the series or the value of F100 is P upon P minus half P. Isn't that? So how much is it? So this is nothing but, so just let me check. Okay, this is P minus half P, so P by 2. So this is P over P by 2. So the answer should be 2. Let's go back and look at the option here. Yes, so that should be the correct answer here, bachcho. So I believe that you all would have definitely enjoyed this question. Okay, so we'll get those many questions and we'll be completing this chapter series with the help of such type of questions which will be definitely new and quite helpful for you people. So stay tuned with us and do subscribe the channel, bachcho.